Hello, good morning, all. I'm sure you all are aware that we all have this, self talk, which keeps on going in back of our mind. But for some people, it's a self negative talk. It's an inner critic which always focuses on flaws, mistakes, and wrong decisions, and person is always blaming himself, that he has taken wrong decision and outcome will be wrong, whether it is in relationship, whether it is in investment, or whether it's taking any decision. He always, back of his mind there is self negative talk, he never focuses on his strength and progresses. It's, automatic, as if the thoughts are generating, and it's deeply rooted in your mind, so it's a habit which can affect your health, it affects your mood, it affects your confidence, and it reduces your self-esteem. It gives you stress and anxiety, it gives you strained relationship, and with this you are not able to take right decision. So what I'm trying to emphasize, that one mistake doesn't mean that your future mistake also will go wrong and you go into that process of self negative talk, so you please try to be aware of your thoughts which are generating. Try to, just negate them at that moment only, and always think and motivate yourself that the outcome will be positive. And don't be harsh to yourself, and always be kind and compassionate to yourself, Ki so what, after all you are a human, and you have to come out of this self negative talk. I've seen, people around me in my life, when I meet them, I feel pity for them, that they are always, very pessimistic, and always thinking ki the result will be, not good. Even if they'll do any action they will take, then they'll think the outcome will be negative, so they are afraid to take decision. So please try to come out of this habit, it's not good for you. So that's my take. Please create an awareness. Thank you.